If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these Dollar Tree glasses into some lovely, simple Halloween decorated glasses, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be doing a very quick, very simple Halloween DIY. These are two glasses and a shot glass. Now the shot glass, I purchased that in like a set of 20 or 24 off Amazon. I'll make sure I have a link available. Now these glasses, which are very heavy duty by the way, and they have like a dark stain, a black smoky look to them. And these caught my eye from the Dollar Tree. So these were $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. And I recently cut out, I did a previous video on another DIY, and I cut out with some vinyl using my Silhouette Cameo some decals, like Happy Halloween, some spiders, some pumpkins, a bat, another spider, and like a pumpkin face. So I thought to myself, this would be really fun to add on to these glasses. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video for this DIY. If you don't have either of those, maybe you can do some cute drawings, or maybe cut it with scissors, maybe off and dry them off. So I'll start with the first glass. And I'm not sure exactly how this will go. I want to put some black on here. I think the black will still stand out even though the glass has that smoky look to it. So I'm going to do maybe some orange. I'll put some here, you know, just kind of put some all over card to smooth these on. And that's really it. If you don't have a cutter of your own, you can always go on places like Etsy or maybe eBay and get some pre-cutouts. Okay, so for this first glass, I'm just randomly taking the decals that I think are gonna fit on here, and I'm just placing them on this glass in no type of, no specific order. I'm just gonna make them fit how they're gonna go. And I'm just kind of just taking like an old card or a gift card and just smoothing them on. Now you can dedicate a certain glass. I had an idea too, like if you want to just do spiders only on the glass and maybe just make them different sizes so it looks like there's just spiders crawling all over glass. That's also a cute idea. This is like really simple, and I feel like you just really can't mess this up. They may have different decals and stickers available at the Dollar Tree that you can use if you don't have a Silhouette Cameo or a Cricut cutter. This is also great if you're going to possibly go to maybe like a pop-up shop and have a table, and maybe it's going to be something dedicated to Halloween or something like that. These will be great to sit on your table. Or if you plan on sending some treats in to your little one's school and you want to give something to the teacher maybe and the teacher's assistant, this is something that's so simple and extremely affordable. This will be nice little gift for the teacher. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. I don't keep a lot of Halloween stuff around my home, and I think this will be cute for my daughter to take to her teacher. And like I said, for this glass to be just $1, it's actually pretty sturdy. Like it has some weight to it, you know. And you know, if you're feeling even more jazzy, you can add a few rhinestones to it. You could bling the bat out if you want to. Add some rhinestones to the pumpkin if you want to get extra jazzy with it. I won't be doing any of that, but you definitely can. Pumpkin face cut out, and then a smaller one. So I think I'll just do one on the front. So the second glass is just going to be a little simple. You could do something like this with the pumpkin faces, or you could do the scary ghost face cutout. There's just so much you could do. You could cut out like a witch on a broom. If you look online and just search the clip art, there's so much available for you to put on your glass. Also, if you're a coffee drinker or you drink tea, you can go to the Dollar Tree, pick up a coffee mug, and you could do the same type of ideas on a coffee mug. I actually will have a video doing this to some coffee mugs with some different designs for Halloween as well. On the shot glass. And at the end of this video, I'll show you some other shot glasses I did last year that were very, very sparkly and very pretty. So this one, this spider is just as big as the shot glass. I think just looking at this from a distance, you'll be like, ew, that's creepy. I think that's the whole point, right? People like to be creeped out for Halloween. So for this spider, I didn't do like an exact measurement, but I really got this like to the T. Because look, the spider is just as big as the shot glass, which makes it even better. I could have added more, but I think one really did the job. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Dollar Tree DIY using my Silhouette Cameo to cut out the signed vinyl and just place it on these glasses. I think this turned out really cute. I especially like the fact that these glasses have that smoky look to them. One of them is just kind of random, but it all comes together because it has all of those Halloween themed decals. And then the shot glass in the middle, I like how you can see that spider from both sides and it still looks like really creepy. And the other one just has the two-faced pumpkins, and I think that one came out pretty nice as well. Something super simple. This probably wouldn't take you any more than 5 to 10 minutes at the most. Let me know what you guys think. Would you do something like this for your class? To put on your desk if you're a teacher, or if you want to just take this and sit this on your desk just to decorate it for Halloween, or these are cute to have around your home as well. Now I know the glasses may be on the big side, but these will also make really cute party favors as well. So let's say you have a party, maybe 10 kids coming over, 15 people coming over, and everyone takes a cute little glass with them. And if it's an adult party, you can go ahead and do the shot glasses. Make sure everyone has a cute little shot glass. If you want, you can make the spider a different color. You can add more spiders. You could put bats on them. There's just so many different ways you can go with this DIY. But thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. If you did find it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word. And I'm also on TikTok with that same name as well. And as promised, here is a DIY for Halloween that I did last year, where I added some rhinestones,
faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, SierraTacticalDefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount.
Maybe a little more advanced in your crafting and you don't mind dealing with the small rhinestones. This would be great for you to do as well. Let me know what you think about these shot glasses.